Alright, hey guys, this is Roto, and today is the day where I get to replace my BMW fragrance. I can't even remember what this is called. So, it's been a while. I haven't been, driving the M2 as much as I would have because of the pandemic. Oh, there you go. BMW's natural air fragrance. So, last time I believe what was this, Energizing Tonic, right? So that was the last fragrance that I was using, and so I get to pick. Do I still have two more? Oh, I didn't even know that I have two more. I thought this would be the last one, but all right. Harmonizing flowers or balancing amber? How about let's try balancing amber, right? And so one of my viewers let me know because I was having trouble removing the stick, and he mentioned that when you put this in, right, you see this little part right here, yeah, you stick it in there so that you won't have any problem taking it or putting it in and taking it out. And honestly, that's really awesome. I didn't even know about that, so thank you for letting me know about that. All right, so I think I should, let's see, I'm still on view, so we're gonna put this away and we're gonna open balancing amber. And I have never smelled this before. Like I said before, Sparkling Raindrops still number one, Energizing Tonic is number two. Ooh, okay, this resembles more like a natural air fragrance. I don't know what it smells like. Soap. Like a girly soap. Yeah, it smells like soap. Any type of soap, I guess. More of like a flowery smell. And that's what I would have classified this. Balancing amber, yep. And it smells like amber, but an amber soap. All right, so let's see. This is in front, and this is how I should be plugging it in. And ooh, all right. I am smelling it. It smells nice. I don't think it can beat like Sparkling Raindrops, really. Nothing can beat Sparkling Raindrops right now, except really coming in next is Energizing Tonic. But balancing amber smells like soap that you can buy off any department store. It doesn't smell manly. It smells like it would be your wife's soap, and that's nice. No harm on that one. And I'm not gonna knock on that type of smell because I love that smell. All right, so let's go for a quick drive because it is 61 degrees out. And it is fall here now in the Quad Cities. And sooner or later, the M2 is going to get plugged in. I have 26,000 miles now. Okay, so let me increase the air inside. Ooh. So Energizing Tonic is like when I was classifying it, it smelled like you just got out of the shower, right? And so this one smells like you just got out of a bath, right? Because I typically associate you know, you taking a shower as a guy and you taking a bath as a girl. And I know that both can do it either way, but still, this is like if you use your wife's soap, this is how you'd smell like if you're a guy. And it smells really refreshing. I don't think it's pungent enough, or as pungent as, or as strong as Energizing Tonic or Sparkling Raindrops, but whew, it smells nice. I'm not sure where this is going to rank up. It could be like, I know the third one would be the green tea, the green one, right? But this could be fourth. I don't know. I would have to review my videos, but this is definitely a nice smell. Something that I could live with every day. Oh, there's a new construction here. Nice. So it is called Amber, and it smells nice. And so far, I haven't been disappointed in any of BMW's natural air fragrance. Some of them don't smell as strong, but would I gladly, you know, switch on each and every single one of them? Absolutely. I'm just I don't really have much to say as I'm trying to smell it, and it smells super nice. Ooh. I think this one, I don't think you're going to want to have this during summer where it's super hot. Like, sure, it smells refreshing, but I feel like this is great for fall or spring or during the cold climate, right? During winter, if you drive your BMW during winter. But yeah, you know, smells super nice, and I would say it's a good combination for this type of weather right now, where it's like there's an overcast, you're just driving around town, but whew, it smells nice. And hopefully, you know, this is probably going to be a short review, but yeah, this natural air fragrance from BMW, I would recommend it. But still, like I said, number one, Sparkling Raindrops, and a definite number two, the tonic one, right? Green tea would probably be third, and this one would probably be fourth. And so that's it for me. You know, I'll be keeping this around all throughout fall and most probably winter. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.